Hello everybody. So today we built an airlift.
An airlift, yes.
So Jean-Claude, hi. How are you?
Fine, and you, Patrick?
Yeah, the weather is nice.
The weather is nice, yes.
So we can have better to show what we need and what we do with an airlift. So the first step is to have all the different things to build this airlift.
Yes. The first thing is a pipe.
Yeah. It's a pipe from 4 inches.
4 inches, yes. 4 or 4.5 makes better, I think, 4 inches.
4 inches, and the length is
6 feet.
6 feet. So we have another tube here, another pipe, a smaller one.
Yes, for the air injection.
Yeah, it's 3/4 inch.
Yes.
20 millimeters, if you will, in millimeters in metric system. So the big pipe is 110 in metrics, and we need also 110 millimeters T or 4-inch T.
4 inches T, yes.
Then also an elbow, 90 degrees.
90 degrees.
Also 4 inches. Then we have need of a reducer.
A reducer from 5 inches to 4 inches.
Yeah, that's to build the compressor part of the airlift. So we need it cut later on in 2 parts.
Yes.
Then we have this thing.
The coupling.
A coupling in 125 millimeters or
5 inches.
5 inches. Then we have another elbow in 20 millimeters.
Yes. Yes, for the air tube.
For the air tube. Then we have the small things to hold the tube.
To fix the little tube on the airlift.
Yeah. A cloth. So we need also glue.
PVC glue.
PVC glue. Then this thing is needed to make a hole with a drill machine. So depends the size, outside size of the tube himself.
Yeah, yes.
But we show it later on how it works. You need also a saw. If you don't like to work with your muscles, you can use something like this. Then a drill machine to make holes. And yes, we make a tour, but we need also acetone to clean up the pipes.
Yes.
And then a gabbery to make the holes, the 100 holes.
100 holes in the tube of the airlift.
In the tube of the airlift. So, and then something to make it close. So you find of course a file to download to make the holes. It's more easier, I think. So you can download it. We give the link at the end of the video. So now we can start to build this airlift. We're going to very slowly that everybody can understand what we do.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So the first step is cut in 2
parts.
Yeah. The reducer.
The reducer in 2 parts, yes.
So we start
in this
size.
size.
Okay, stay with us. So Jean-Claude, we cut the reducer in two parts.
Yes.
So we have, it's very important to well clean it. So well the outside and the inside of this reducer.
Yes, and also for avoid dust.
Dust because the dust can make down the smaller holes of 1 millimeter.
1 millimeter, yes.
So now, next step, we're gonna drill a hole in this connector here.
The coupling?
In the coupling to put inside the elbow here of 20 millimeters. So we do this and then we can glue this part. Okay, we go. So Jean-Claude, the hole is made it and adjusted.
Yes.
So now just put the elbow inside, but not too far inside because
not too far inside.
Else,
often you will go in the bottom of the compression chamber.
Yeah. So, and then of course when it's adjusted, we need to glue this thing.
To glue.
Yeah. We look at for gluing. So now, Jean-Claude, we need to glue this this elbow.
Yes.
So first of all, cleaning with a little bit acetone.
Yes. Target is to take off all grease.
Then we take the glue, put it on the side of the hole. And then on the elbow, of course. Take a lot of glue, and it's not important to have too much. It's better too much than too less. Then adjust it.
Okay.
Okay, and let's glue it. So now we fix the gabarit on the pipe.
Yes, in order to make approximately 100 holes.
Yeah, all the holes, but be careful, take a look that the holes are ready in the middle.
Yes.
So we have here 5 rolls.
Holes, yes.
So this
That are 100.
100 holes, something like this. So just drill with 1 millimeter.
Approximately, yes.
Okay, we go.
Il y a 7 exhausteurs à faire, 700 pieds.
now we're starting with the compressor chamber.
Yes.
So we need to glue all these parts. So first of all, we can gluing the bottom of the chamber. So you have a stop here with the half of the reducer.
Yeah.
So we need to use this part to glue it on the bottom side
Yes, yes, sir.
of the chamber. So we can start with this.
Okay.
First of all, cleaning the... It's very important to scratch a little bit the plastic.
Yes, to take off all the polish.
Then this part of the construction is better to do with two people. Huh?
Yes, it's very more easy.
So now we take glue inside, so I hold inside first. So use a good layer. Don't worry to use a lot of glue. Then the outside of the reducer. Also a good thing. Set it on the table.
This direction.
Then okay.
Okay.
We push and that's finished. So that's the first thing that we need to do. Now we have the second part of the reducer. You put it on the pipe. Sliding a little bit farther. Then we make a mark to see where the gluing comes, because we need to put here glue. Don't put the glue on the holes, of course. Then we scratch a little bit the parts.
Inside the foot ring also.
And now I explain the procedure because it's a little bit difficult and it goes very fast. So we need to put first of all glue on this part inside. Then after we put glue outside here on the bottom of the chamber. Then afterwards we put glue on the second side of the chamber and at least the second part of the reducer. So it's very important to do in this way because else the glue goes dry too fast and you can clever the two pieces together. So okay, we start. So be attentive. Vas-y, sur celui-là. Ok, pas grave. Ok. Put a lot of glue on it. Ok. Deuxième partie. Okay, and now the second part of the ring. Okay, now we put the chamber on the pipe. Okay, straight on, relève-le. Okay, and then you slide the second part. Okay, it's inside.
And it's finished.
It's finished, so it needs to be very fast because else the glue is drying and you have problems to set the two pieces together. So now you have a compression chamber, so we need just to finish the airlift to set the pipe here, and we show it later on. So stay with us. So everything is quiet now, so take a look in the pond. We see nothing. And we start the airlift. And it started. So what's happened in the pond? Wow, it's a little bit flow there. So here we have a 60-liter pump, and this pump uses something like 60 watts an hour. So it's very less for so big flow. Incredible. Normally we use a 20-liter pump, is better.